Hazur. My name is Ashir Ahmed and I am from Betlesaban region. My question is at our age, how did you memorize the Quran and how would you recommend for me to stay devoted to the Jamaat?
How did you memorize the Quran? You see, we were being taught Quran in our school. You see, during our time, we were studying in Jamaat school in Rabwa. So there was a special Diniyat religious studies period where we were being taught religious knowledge of the Jamaat. And at the same time, our teacher will ask to memorize some of the verses or the surah, small surahs of the Holy Quran. So this is how we used to learn. And even in our Atfal classes, we were asked to memorize, and there used to be a competition of Tilawat, the Hifz Quran. So this is how we used to memorize, and this is the best way that if you are holding competition or if you are studying in a school, then you are forced to learn. So this is the one way. But here we have Hafizun class. Those who can afford to go to the Hafizun class, they should try to learn Quran by joining that class. And those who cannot, then you should develop your own interest in the reading of the Holy Quran, memorizing of the Holy Quran. And at least try to memorize last 20-30 surah of the Holy Quran. This is how you will develop interest, and then later on you can. And also remember that Atfal of the age of 13 and above, and Khudamul Amdiya as well, should also try to memorize first 17 verses of Surah Baqarah. Right? And also try to know the meaning of these verses, because it's very important to know the meaning of the verses. This is how you can increase your faith, and you can save yourself from the attacks of the environment and bad people. Right?
Ji.
Okay.
Jazakallah.